Joint health. I present an effective remedy for the regeneration of bones, joints and cartilage. This powerful tool will quickly raise you to your feet. It also helps with joint pain. The recipe is very easy and takes just a couple of minutes to prepare. All ingredients are useful and enhance the effect of each other. Friend dozens of times. You only need to eat 1 teaspoon before breakfast. Result in 1 week. First we need flax seeds. Flaxseed is rich in magnesium, manganese, copper, phosphorus, and thiamine. Flax strengthens bones and protects joints. Let's take 50 grams. Then take the sesame seeds. Sesame is the champion in calcium content. Add sesame seeds to your diet and this is the best prevention. Osteoporosis and rheumatoid arthritis. Also 50 grams. Add pumpkin seeds. Combined with other ingredients, they relieve joint pain and keep joints in good condition. They are also anti-inflammatory and relieve symptoms, arthritis and other rheumatic diseases. Also 50 grams. And at the end, add black cumin seeds. Black cumin has strong anti-inflammatory properties. It begins to act in the first place to the affected joints. The pain begins, dulls, and eventually subsides. It will take 20 grams of seeds or 1 tablespoon black cumin oil. We send all the ingredients to a blender. All these seeds are useful in themselves, but in such mixtures, they enhance their useful properties in tens. Once. Now you need to add gelatin to this mixture. Gelatin plays an important role in cartilage renewal. The collagen in gelatin reduces pain in the knees, shoulders and other joints. Reduces inflammation and provides joint mobility. 10 grams of gelatin. It's about 1 tablespoon. Let's add raisins to this. In addition to a huge amount of vitamins, raisins contain a large amount of calcium. Raisins help restore joints, bones, teeth. It also strengthens blood vessels and is an excellent prevention. Heart disease. 50 grams of raisins, add to blender. Next, pour the resulting mixture with natural honey. You can use. This is especially important if you have high blood sugar. You need 200 grams of honey. In addition to the beneficial properties of honey, it is also natural preservative, so our recipe will not be able to deteriorate quickly. This mixture will prevent bone loss, relieve inflammation and restore joint mobility. Transfer everything to a jar and store in the refrigerator. Eat 1 teaspoon on an empty stomach, 20 minutes before breakfast and the entire recipe is designed for about a month of admission. The course is recommended to take 2 to 3 times a year, but you can use as a preventive measure for joint regeneration. The easiest way to support our work is to like the video and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel.